Okay, the pot's on. I had one hell of a time starting that fire. Even wore a groove in my ferro rod. Would not light up. Even with a lighter and a whole bunch of cardboard and hay and this and that. You know, finally got the dang thing going. It's because it's so moist, and all this wood I'm getting now is out of the bottom of my wood box. So it's going to be super moist. And it's super moist anyway. You know, it's like some cold Missouri afternoon or something. Anyway, let's stoke this up a bit. Okay, and where's the... I got all kinds of fresh chunks of wood and paper in there, and it just would not light. Okay, time. 16:55. All right, back when it starts. Okay, we're still at it, and it's getting a little dark. I didn't expect to take this long. Didn't expect to take long to get that dang fire started. Now, what I'm noticing here, I'm getting steam. What time is it? Off the pan, but you notice? Let's have a look here. See it rock and roll? It's 17:01. It's been 6 minutes. Okay. And I think that's a problem. So let's try this. Stick. Yeehaw! And another stick. There. There's only little bitty, itty bitty bits of the bottom of the pan touching the, the hot surface. So it won't, it can't catch up. There we go. Hopefully that stick won't catch on fire. But it's steaming, so 6 minutes of steaming. No, it's not. Still cold. I fibbed. Who knows? I might have to bring this back up in the morning. But man, that fire really, really defeated me. If I didn't have a lighter, go to the store, something like that, I'd have been hard put. I'd been looking around for another source because the sun went down. Took too long. I laid around watching videos half the day. Said, I'll make a video about boiling water. Right. Get out here. The fire don't start. The dog goes crazy. Gathering up stuff. Gets the dang thing on there. The pan wobbled and bobbled. You can imagine what would like, oh, dude. And the frustration is, imagine 3, 4 little kids sitting around, Dad, where's the food? Where's the food? And looking at you funny, you ain't got no dang something, Gotta get better at ferro rod fire starting. I want a flint and steel because I tell you what, here's how we're going to work. Anybody that sends me a good one now, I don't know crap, flint and steel kit with a couple pretty good pieces of flint, I'll send them a whole buttload of my trimmings from my rag, the cotton duck sailcloth. It makes excellent char cloth because it's silk, it's thick cotton duck, and I get bundles of it, right? And I'm like, oh my God, what are we gonna do with this stuff? Somebody gets me a kit, maybe 2 or 3, because I've got a lot of it, man. I'll send you a big old bag of char cloth material. How's that? All right, thanks. Back to the fire. Because that's what I'd have needed tonight. Was char cloth and spark. Because, man, I couldn't get... Look at this here fine stuff I got. Right, I could not get it to take a spark. Right. And this is that eucalyptus from this firewood that I got from Little Bones, Pepper Princess. And it's dry and it's gummy, but man, that moisture, it got me. All right. I don't know. We'll bring this up tomorrow. I call it a failure for now because it started so late. My Slavovian got in the way. And we're going to have to do this another time. And I don't want to put no more wood in it because now we won't be able to see it, boil. I'll sit here and let it burn out or this and that, but it'll be too dark to film. Next project for me, lighting in the yard, both electric and fuel. Like kerosene or something. Propane, yeah. Zzz. All right. Not by your wits, not by your worries. Peace. Bye.